Alright boys, we're out here with the FIMI X8SE. There's a little bit of wind kicking up. You'll see by the waves when I get going here. It's supposed to be like 18-mile-an-hour gusts, and it's like a steady 10. Even though when I got here it was calm as can be, but it's picked up a little bit. But I'm still working on this thing with that video. I'm gonna turn this Vivid off. I had that on the last time. We're just gonna go to general now on the color. Let me start some video. Video's running. Let me check the map so it knows where I'm at here. Yes, it knows. Alright, we'll fly it here for a little bit and we'll check the video again. Let me adjust the camera here a little bit. Where the hell do the horses go? Are they still right out that way? Okay. I'm going right into the wind there, by the way. The headwind. We'll come out for another visit of the horsies. So there they are. I'm getting a little bit of dropouts here, but I mean nothing major. Right? Okay, so no biggie. Like I said, we're just checking the video quality here. Now it's on normal. Because that's basically what I'm doing, is checking the video quality. See if it's going to stay good or it's going to go revert back to the crapola that it was. flying right over that fisherman that was just over here. And so I'm not looking down at him. I don't want to see that finger coming out. All right. Yes. All I'm wanting to do is see what the video quality looks like, boys. Basically. Getting a little break up on the video transmission, but nothing major. I mean, this thing can go up really far, you know. I've had this thing out a mile, so that's not an issue. The transmission signal. I'm not getting that 2020 version of this. This thing's plenty good enough for me, okay? I'm not that particular. Come to Papa. Okay, I'm bringing this in. All right, I think it flew really good, man, especially with those gusts, those 18-mile-an-hour gusts, but we'll see. Let me stop the video. Okay, so that took. Excuse me. Excuse me, boys. I don't have corona, don't worry. That's just a hay fever or some shit. I don't know. Who knows, right? I'm up here with all these weeds. All right, guys. It flew great, man. I mean, it flew really good, so I'll talk to you guys later. Have a nice day.